Yemen's prime minister has requested foreign aid to help lower the country's financial burden, claiming that such assistance will help a budding peace process. This report has more details.
Yemen's prime minister has requested foreign assistance to reduce the country's debt burden, stating that such support will contribute to an emerging peace process. At the Chatham House think tank's London Conference 2023, Ma'in Said stated that Yemen needs some patience from international funding mechanisms. Yemen has been at war since Iran backed Houthi rebels to control of the capital Sana'a in 2014. The next year, a Saudi-led coalition intervened on behalf of the internationally recognized government. In 2020, the COVID-19 outbreak dealt the country yet another blow. The outbreak of the Ukraine war in February 2022, however, had a much harsher effect on the nation's food supplies, according to Mr. Said.
Following the Russian war on Ukraine, it was one of the big shocks for the government. 90% of our imports of wheat came from outside. 50% of it came from Russia and Ukraine. We don't have fiscal capabilities to deal with the prices. Nobody wants to deal with country in a danger, banking system, private sector.
The government's public expenditure has decreased as a result of the state budget's 80% deficit. Officials are presently negotiating direct assistance injections with the World Bank and the Arab Monetary Fund. Mr. Said stated that the private sector has also helped sustain the economy. The UN estimated that by the end of 2022, the conflict in Yemen had caused more than 377,000 deaths, with 60% of this figure as a result of hunger, unsafe water, and a lack of health care. More than 2/3 of the population live in poverty, according to the UN, including government employees in Houthi-controlled areas who have not been paid in years.